Hello, what's up good people? Good to see you once again. Leo tunazungumzia how to use this calendar ya 2023 savings challenge, venye una mark, venye una save wapi na una save aje, and so that you can be able to raise this 66,700 and above. How do you go about it? Alright, but before you do that, as always, take 1 second. Hapo hivyo chini on your right kuna ka button kameandikwa subscribe, just hit it, and then hapo hivyo chini kuna kengine kamechorwa kamkono just like this. Hit that one also. It is free, it is fast, and I know you're asking yourself what's the importance of that. Do you know the importance of it is every moment I'll be posting a new video, you'll be notified by the YouTube, so you never ever miss any of my videos, because hii challenge tunaenda naye hadi mwisho na nitakuwa na kuremind each and every moment, so you better be at this particular place. Take 1 second, hit that subscribe, hit that like, and let's move to the next point. All right, so hit calendar. How do you use it? How do you calculate that amount, and how at the end of the day, or where do you save your money? Tuanzie hapa hivi. We all know that very well an year has 365 days, all right? The January 1st is the first day of the year, and the December 31st is the 365th day of the year, right? So the challenge is this: you save according to the day. Like for the first of Jan, you save one bob. Like the time I'm recording this video is on 7th of January. So today you're supposed to save your 7 shillings. But there is one trick that you have to realize, yeah? As the time goes, it becomes harder and harder and harder. So this is how you do it. You get this template, and by the way, I said I have this template. If you want it, it's ready. I have it, so you can contact me and get your copy. It's only 120. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is you get this template, all right? Once you get this template that has all the days, like Jan, we all the days, February, all the days, how do you figure there? December. Now, this is what you do. Let's say for today, maybe you got your 150. So once you do what you do, you don't have to follow like from the Jan to December. No, you can just scroll all the way where you have the day 150. You tick the day 150. You can choose to save your money on the M-Shwari. You can choose to save your money on KCB, M-Pesa. You can choose to save your money on the bank. You can choose to save your money on the piggy bank. When I say a piggy bank, namaanisha haka kakitu watu wanatengezanga nyumbani, and then you save your things there and such kind of a thing. So if you know your home is safe and good and sound, you can actually go ahead and save that specific amount there. The other trick of saving, actually, by the way, if you do not know, though it may sound weird, but it works. It's you getting into a joint account with somebody who you know, unaheshimu, unamtrust, and huwezi shinda ukimsumbua mwende withdraw. Kwa mfano, you can get, let's say, maybe, I don't know, maybe your father, I don't know, that individual who you know that huwezi shinda ukimsumbua 1 2 3, or maybe you can try your pastor. You never know. Unajua huwezi shinda ukipiga pastor, hey, nataka tuende kwa bank tuka withdraw 1k. So that one will give you a discipline. Anyway, that was just a single idea. So what you do is that once you identify the day, for mfano, let's say today you've managed to get your 3k, or rather let's say 300. So you scroll down to where you have the 300th day. You take that day, you take that 300, you save it to where you want or you would love to save, or where you feel you're safe and secure to save that amount of money. Another challenge is this: maybe let's say you're employed and then you're like, you only get your money at the end of the month. Is this challenge applicable to you? Yes, it is applicable. Very simple and easy. How do you go about it? Like, let's say you decide at the end of the month, I will save my 3,000 or 4,000 or whoever. We said we are going to save 20% of our income. This is how you do it. Let's say you decide to save like 2,000 at the end of the month. You take your 2,000, subdivide it into different sections. You can decide to subdivide it into 300, 350, 370, 380, 390. Oh, there's nothing like 380. It's 350, 360, 240, 280, 290. You know, you divide all that amount, and then you go ticking those days. You tick those days until all that money is exhausted. All right. And then when it comes to that particular moment when you realize that we have like shillings like 61, so you can't save 61, so you can round off to 65, or maybe you can, when you have 66, you can round off to maybe, let's say, 70 or something or so, because basically you cannot be able to access these 1 shilling coins and such kind of a thing. But if you're doing it using your M-Pesa or your mobile banking, you can do so because that one doesn't have any issue. But if you're doing it physically from your or to your specific saving bank box, then then you can be able to do exactly that. So this challenge, this is how you calculate the total amount, because people are like, how is the math adding to 66,000? Me, I'm getting 5,000. Me, I'm getting 8,000. This is how you do it, right? Kama ulisahau ile class ya arithmetic progression in high school, this is how it goes. So it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 blah 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 dot dot up to 365. So when you do the totaling of all that amount, rest assured, actually it's even more than 66,700 and above. So that really tells you it is achievable, it is doable, and you can actually do it. The point, or the actual challenge is this: everybody should mark all the gaps. By the time you are clearing this year, everybody should have marked all the areas. But again, you see, we aren't of the same capacity when it comes to money. Try as many days as you can to challenge yourself and save a lot as you can. So when you are breaking up this challenge, and will be like, wow, fine, I managed to raise this amount of money, because just like I said, we aren't made up of equal capacities. Perhaps you are out there. For example, sometimes I get clients who tell me, hey, you know what, Joseph, prepare me for one that and double that amount. Instead of saving one bob on Jan first, then make it 10, 20, 30, 40, 60. That's quite a good amount of money. Toward the end, it nears around 606, almost to a million. So it depends. So if you feel like it's less a challenge for you, you can add the amount. If you feel it's more a challenge for you, you can just try as much as you can and tick the number of days that you're capable of. And then at the end of the year, then you can go ahead and break the code and say, like, this is the amount of money that I managed to save with using this specific calendar. What have I said? This calendar simply illustrates all the days of an year from day 1 to 365. Pick a day, or rather pick a method of your savings, like can be an M-Shwari, can be a KSB M-Pesa, can be your bank, can be a partnership with somebody, can be a piggy bank from home. And then once you take your money, you tick wherever you've saved, you tick whatever, how much you've saved, tick how much you've saved. Then from that time, progressively, you can be able to do something at the end of the year. That's the trick, right? As always, maybe this is the first time you're seeing this phase. My name is Joseph. Talk about money, talk about investment, and how you can be able to save money. Because let me tell you one thing. At the end of the day, yeah, we are saving, but the purpose is not saving. The purpose is raising the capital, then start a business. That's the sweetest thing. Because I always tell you, money loves to bake babies. And if you eat all your parent money, then you're killing the generation of that specific money. We save, we raise the capital, we start a business, and we create another stream of income, and we progressively move to the next level, right? So perhaps you'd like to contact me for that copy of the template. Then I'll leave my number on the description of this video, and I'll still pin it on the comment section. By the way, I'm expecting to as well comment on this video, right? So I will still have other business ideas booklets. I have booklets on business ideas, business plans, shares, treasury bills, circles, and such. So if you'd like to get any copy of those, then contact me. You get your copy, and then we move to the next level. But for now, what can I say apart from thank you? And perhaps if you've forgotten to subscribe on this channel, do so. 1 second, just click it, click the like, comment down below. If you're in position to, then you can share this video, and let's move to the next level. This challenge, we will have to do it through God's help. See you in the next one. Goodbye.